Hello everyone, I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts. I have also another main channel which is Anna Vanila, where you can also subscribe. This channel is dedicated for anything that I do by hand, any crafting that I do like doing, and where I talk mostly about my pieces, how I am doing them, how they look like, how they turn out to be. And this is an example of that. This is a Baktus. Baktus, I said it before, it's actually something in between the shawl and a scarf. So basically what you do, it's wear it around your neck to keep your neck warm and even your chest warm, because it's like a triangular piece here at the bottom. It actually hugs your chest area and keeps you warm there as well. That's the convenience of this item, is the fact that it doesn't keep you warm just around the neck, but it keeps you warm even on the chest and keeps you comfortable. It makes you look stylish. I have made plenty of Baktuses in my last couple of videos. You can see plenty of my Baktuses. This is one of those Baktus with multicolored yarn. As you can see, it's got multi-colors. It's got blue, purple, yellow, orange, green, light blue, purple, yellow, even turquoise colors, and I think it's fantastic. It's amazing how it turned out. I think this is the edge. This is the edge, yeah. I have stitched in here. I have used this little doll to knit these handles that you secure around your neckline, and it's this much, this long, and with this little tool you can do any strings like this. As you can see, the strings become very secure, very tight, very strong, and multicolored as well. As you can see, the play of color is just amazing here, and at the ends you can just make a knot like this. Maybe I'll do this now actually. And here is the second. You see it's attached here with a needle. I've secured it, and I'm going to do a knot here as well for beauty purposes. And I just love this color combination. I think I've chosen the right multicolored yarn to do some experiment like this. I think it's nice. It turned out nice. I started from the bottom, from here, from 6 loops, and then I added on each side, on the left and on the right, each side about 1 loop each time. You make levels as you go up, obviously, and it multiplies to a point where it grows to a higher point, to a larger one, and it's a triangular shape. As you can see, it's a triangular shape, and it's absolutely fantastic. I have finished it maybe in 2 days. Yeah, I think 2 days it took me to make it, because obviously when you do the strings it takes a couple of hours as well, not just the knitting of the Baktus. So I've used number 4 needles, and as you can see, stretchy. It's acrylic yarn, it's not real wool, it's acrylic yarn. So it's acrylic yarn which is very stretchy. It's easy to wash. You can wash it in cold water. It's recommended to actually wash it by hand rather than washing machine, and this would last you for ages and ages, and the color never fades. The stitching, everything knitted doesn't fade. It can stay and look as good as from beginning to the end. It would just not fade in anything. It lasts and lasts. So I would recommend everyone who likes knitting, who wants to be a knitter, to try to do things like this, which is simple to do, and learn how to knit to enhance your personality, your style, and generally to give you pleasure and joy for using your needles, and do something magic like this, something fantastic as this. And it's absolutely easy to do, absolutely easy. Even children of 6 years old or something could do strings like this, strands like this, with this little doll like this, like so. And obviously anyone can do it. If children can do it, you can do it for sure. Thank you very much for subscribing, for watching my videos. Please leave the comments below, and please write to me what would you like to see in my videos on my channel, and please subscribe, and let's watch it all together, and let's watch my videos as I put new videos as often as I can, but I always do something new. So even if you're waiting for my videos and I don't upload any, it doesn't mean that I am not working. Yes, I'm working at home, I'm working off camera, or I work for the next videos to make for them for you to watch. So please subscribe and have a lovely spring. Thank you very much for everything, and see you soon in another video. Bye.